Hi guys, welcome back. This is the continuation of the previous topic, shared preference, using shared preference. If you not see the previous part, please go and see the previous part and come back again. Okay, in the previous part we just save the data using the shared preference object. Now we are going to load or retrieve back the data we are already saved using shared preference. So here there are two buttons. We are already placed two buttons. First one is the save button and second one is the load button. So whenever the user click the load button, load data button, the data that we already saved are retrieved back. So here I am going to coding how we can obtain the data from the shared preference object. So now we have to create an action listener for the load button. So here the button object name is load dot set on click listener, new on click listener. So in order to get the data back, we have to create an object of shared preference again. So here the object is pref is equal to using the same method get shared preference using the name that we already saved. Here the shared preference object name is my details. We saved the data using the key called my details. So here we using the same key, otherwise we don't get the data. My details. Also here is you need to specify the mode of retrieval. Here I am using the mode private again, mode private. Okay, now I have to retrieve the data for, so I using to string get name is equal to using the shared preference dot get string. Here you need to pass the same key that at the time of here you need to specify the key that is same as at the time of saving the data into the shared preference. Here the key for the name is key name. So here I just pass the name, key name, and here you need to specify a default value. Otherwise, if the data is not found, or here the data is not found, whenever then it will display as a default value. Here I just specify a null value here, that means a empty string here. Now I have to get the mobile number, get mobile is equal to using the shared preference object dot get string. Key for retrieving mobile number is the key mob. So here I using the same key, otherwise you do not get the data from the shared preference. Here again I just specify the default value as an empty string. Now I just display the value using toast dot main test. Get the base context. Here I display the data plus name, get name, and now mobile number is equal to get mobile, specify duration for the toast dot, I make it as long. Now make the toast visible using the show method. That's it. Now we complete the code for retrieving data from the shared preference. Here we just declare the shared preference object again, and for getting a string value we using the method called get string, or if you want to get a float value you need to use the method called get float. Here the two datas are the string format. So here I just get the value of name into get name variable. Here we need to specify the key which is same as the key which is used at the time of saving the data. Here you need to specify the default value for the data. If the data is not given, is the data is not retrieved successfully, then the default value will appear. Here I just display the loaded data using a toast. Now this is the time to check the project. So now I am going to run the project, run as, and load application. Okay, now you can see that the project is successfully launched, and here the form that we already created is loaded on the emulator. So here is the name field, here is the mobile number field. There are two buttons, save data and load data. I just give my name here. Okay, I specify some mobile number here. Okay, now I have to save the data. Now you can see the data successfully saved. Now it's the time to retrieve the data from the shared preference, load data. Now image previous, mobile number is given. Guys, this is how we using shared preference for saving data in an Android application. You will get the complete source code of this topic from my blog. My blog URL is given under the description of these videos. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe now my channel for getting more video updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part of this tutorial.